Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com. I will add the download link and project files. First step, select these clothes. These three clothes. Okay. And right mouse, precoms, add precoms name, clothes 1 and click OK. And select these other clothes layers, this and this. Okay. Control X for copy back to this clothes composition. Let's open and Control V. Okay. Then select the stars. Star 1 to star 9. Let's see. Okay. And right mouse, precoms, add name, stars 1, click OK. And select these stars, star 1 to star 5. And right mouse, precoms, stars 2. And click OK. So select this castle and castle 1 to castle 8 and this shadow and lines. Okay, right mouse, precoms, add name, castle, click OK. Nice. So select this background shape, go to FX preset, search effect fill, and let's use, go to color and change color to white, click OK. And go to FX press again, search effect wave warp, select this wave warp and use for these background shapes and change wave width. Okay, and wave height change 5. Okay, not bad. Change wave width 70. Okay, let's lock background layer and background shape layer. Select this star main and press R. Let's write expression. Hold Alt and click this icon for open expression panel and let's write expression wiggle. Okay, click enter. Let's see. Okay, let's change speed to. Okay, nice. Then open this castle and let's make animation. Go to window, open animation composer 3 anchor point mover and select this object. Click this icon, move to anchor point down. Okay, and select this object. Move to right this anchor point and select this castle. Move to down this anchor point and this castle, again down and this left and right purple layers, move to down. Okay, and select this castle 2, move to down again, and castle 1, move to down, and shadow and lines, press T, change opacity 0 and go to here, make opacity keyframe, go to again here, change 100. Okay, nice. Let's close these opacity keyframes and go to window, open animation composer 3 and open starter pack and let's use this overshot. Okay, select these all castles and click animated in. So let's see. Okay, let's close animation composer and move to right this tier in. Okay, okay, nice, smooth, and select these two objects, move to right. Okay, and this and this and this. Okay, so not bad. Let's select this object, move to right. Okay, not bad. Let's close this castle and back to Ramadan composition. Okay, and let's select this castle composition, move to back this mon and parent to this mon object. Select this mon, go to first second, press P, make new position keyframe and move to left. Okay, go to here and move to right. Okay, let's see. Select this castle, move to right. Okay, select these two keyframes. Right mouse, keyframe assistant easy ease. Go to graph editor, click this icon and make smooth graph. Okay, let's move to right this keyframe. Okay, and castle, move to right. Again, go to graph editor. Okay, select this moon, hold shift, press R and go to here, make rotation keyframe and go to back, change rotation and move to left this keyframe. Select these rotation keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Okay, select these rotation keyframes, go to graph editor and make smooth graph. Okay, and in this time select this last rotation keyframe, change rotation 3 or 6 and go to 6 keyframe, 1 2 3 4 5 6, change -3, again go to 6 keyframes, 1 2 3 4 5 6, change 1 5 and go to again 3 keyframe, 1 2 3, change 0. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes, move to left and this, move to left. Okay, select these all keyframes, hold alt, move to right. Okay, nice. Select these keyframes, move to left. Okay, so select this lights layer, parent to this moon layer. Let's see. Okay, and open clouds composition. Select these all clouds, go to first second and press P, make new position keyframe, go to 6 second and let's animate it clouds, random positions like this. Okay, let's see here. Okay, not bad. So select this moon and go to effects preset, search effect glow and let's use this glow effect, change radius. Okay, okay, not bad, I like it. And select this glow effect, Ctrl C, go to here, select this star main and Ctrl V and select this all stars, Ctrl V. Let's Ctrl Z, select this star 1 layers, Ctrl V. Okay, and stars composition, let's open, go to window, animation composer 3 and let's select this all these stars, open starter pack and this folder. Let's use overshot scale, click in. Okay, Let's see. Nice. Let's make random stars. Okay. Okay, let's click browse and effects to the layer. Let's open and let's select one effect for this stars loop animation. Okay, this is not bad. Let's select all stars and click apply. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's back to Ramadan composition and let's see. Nice. Select this stars composition and let's open. Select this all stars and use this overshot scale. Click in, back to browse and open this FX. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad. Let's apply and close animation composer. Let's move to this inputs line right and make random. Let's see. Okay, select this star 5 and change this intensity 10. Let's see. And this change 10 and this again 10 and star 2 and star 1 change intensity 10. Let's see. Okay, close stars composition and this and clothes. Let's see. Okay, so select these stars, move to right, and these stars move to here. Okay, and select these clothes, press T, change opacity 0, make new opacity keyframes, go to here and change opacity 100 and move to right these opacities. Okay, not bad. And select this star, press P, make new position keyframe and move to right, and in this time move to here. Okay, select keyframes, make easy, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. Okay, move to right this keyframe. So not bad. Thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.